Hi, everybody. Joe Cioffi here. Weather in a minute is Sunday, the 23rd of November. A little disturbance is moving through this morning. And you see clouds to the west on the satellite loop. That's a weak cold front with a reinforcement of dry, chilly air that's coming into southeastern Canada, into New England and the Northeast. And that's going to play itself out both today and tomorrow, where temperatures are going to have a tough time getting out of the upper 40s and low 50s for highs. But we are going into the week of Thanksgiving. And the good news is that for the most part, this is going to be a relatively quiet week. We don't see any major storms around. Things are just going to be relatively calm. And Thanksgiving week in the past can often see a major storm, a strong cold front, wreaking havoc in one place or another. Things are going to be, for the most part, on the calm side this year. We have some precipitation in upstate New York ahead of that disturbance, and that is moving eastward up into New England. I really don't see much in the way of precipitation problems for the rest of the Northeast down through the mid-Atlantic, southeast, and Florida. Radars are nice and quiet. And I just want to point out, in terms of precipitation this week in the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic states, I mean, we're basically talking about a quarter of an inch or less. There's a little bit more that's going to happen in and around the Great Lakes with some lake effect that'll be going on today and tonight. But other than that, I think it's really just a quiet, calm week. And that precipitation, by the way, is going to come late Tuesday night into early Wednesday, and then we're going to be done after that. So we watch and see this little disturbance go by, slight chilling of the atmosphere into Monday with high pressure in the mid-Atlantic states. That moves out. And here comes low pressure into the lakes with a warm front, cold front combination to deal with for later Tuesday night into Wednesday. And then a secondary cold front that comes through late Wednesday with maybe another shower or two. And behind that, some very cold air for Thanksgiving Day and for the Friday, the big shopping day. Although it's not as big a shopping day as it used to be, but it is going to be cold and it is going to get windy, especially on Friday as the gradient tightens up and a storm strengthens up in Atlantic Canada. And for the rest of the weekend, Saturday's looking okay. Uh, Maybe we'll probably start to have some issues late Sunday or early Monday, depending on how weather systems to the west play out. But overall, this upcoming Thanksgiving week is going to be a good one.